stop scrolling. Stop scrolling. If you think it's just about uploading a video and waiting for views, my brother, my sister, you are wrong. YouTube is a battlefield. You need to come to your shield, your sword, your fire, or your... you need to come out. Wait till you need to... Anyways, every second, over 500 of content, over 500 hours of content is uploaded. And the question is, how do you stand out? Well, today I'm breaking down the algorithm, growth hacks, monetization, the mistake that almost killed my channel, literally, and everything you need to know about YouTube. Because if you crack this code, your life can change forever. And one of the things is that YouTube is the largest search engine in the world, the biggest stage for creators. And for some people, it's their full-time career. But here's the problem. If you don't know how YouTube works, you would waste months uploading videos that barely get 10 views, that barely get 2 views. And you start wondering, I appreciate this algorithm makes me. No. Everything you need to know about YouTube. YouTube. Number 1, understanding the algorithm. First thing first, the YouTube algorithm. See, one thing nobody will ever tell you that YouTube algorithm is not something that just pick people. No. It is not some mysterious robot that just pick favorite. No, it's actually very simple. The algorithm has one job. Keep viewers watching YouTube for a long time, for as long as possible. That means if your video makes people click and actually stay on YouTube and actually watch your video for long, see, YouTube will push that video for more. I swear. YouTube will click your video for more people. And there are 3 things the algorithm cares about. Number 1, click-through rate. How many people click on your video when they see your thumbnail and title? Click-through rate. Something like this. It's as if people are choosing to watch your video. People are not choosing to watch your video. Choose your thumbnail. Choose your title. Something like this. Are you seeing it? It's very important to know. Number 2, watch time. This watch time, 0.7 watch hour, 1.0 watch hour. You need to know it too. Number 3, viewer satisfaction. Do people like your video? Do people comment? Do people subscribe? Or do they even watch another video after that video that you posted? You know, say most of the time when I end my video, I'll say, see you in another video. That doesn't mean that after this video I'm recording now, I will record another one, and I'll record another one, and I'll record. No. It means that did you watch another video of mine after watching my current video? So instead of saying, how do I please the algorithm? Ask yourself this question. How do I please the viewer? Because if the viewer is happy, the algorithm will be so happy with you. Number 2, content strategy. Now let's talk about content strategy. YouTube is not just about a place of uploading random videos or hoping for the best. No. There are 3 golden rules here on YouTube. Number 1, pick a niche. Don't convince people about your channel. One day you are posting cookie, next day you are posting gaming, next day you are posting vlog. The audience will not know whether they should subscribe or not. You will not even know what they are subscribing for. They will not know now. Tell me. Today you do cookie. Today you do this. You don't get direction. No. Number 2, be consistent. Uploading once a month makes it hard to grow on YouTube. Stay with maybe once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. If you can even upload every day, upload every day. If you are not going to burn out too. But I will tell you, don't upload every day so you not burn out. So you not crash the algorithm, so you not even burn out for yourself, because your health matters a lot. See me, that some days I upload every day. And sometimes I will give myself a break. Because of what? I cannot come and kill myself. Do you understand? Number 3, make video people want to watch. Make video for people, not yourself. Ask truth. See, YouTube is not a diary where you come and say, come and keep your family photo, keep your great grandpa photo. No. It's a platform. Create video that solve problem, that entertain, or teaches something valuable. Do you understand what I'm saying? Number 3, tools every YouTuber needs. See, you don't need any expensive gear to start a YouTube channel. But here are a few basic things that make your life easier. Camera, which you can use your phone. Your smartphone is good enough. You can use your smartphone. All you just need is what? Good lighting. For example, I'm using my Lead Light Pro for my content. I why this thing here. And what? You can use editing app like CapCut, Premiere Pro, Final Cut. Pick anyone that works for you. You can even use InShot. Anyone that works for you. And you can watch my video now to create good thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. You can watch my video now to create YouTube thumbnail. For those that don't know how to create YouTube thumbnail, you need thumbnail maker like Canva, Photoshop, or even YouTube built-in editor. You You can watch my video on how to create thumbnail. You need all those things. Anyway, you need your YouTube Studio application, because this is your control center. That's used to track your analysis, change title and thumbnail, change description, and everything needed. Remember, all these tools that I mentioned, the tools does not make a creator, so the idea and execution does. So number 4, how to grow faster. Number 4, how to grow faster. Okay, how do you actually grow? Here are 4 things. You need strong title and thumbnail. See, if nobody clicks on your video, nobody watches. Even if you spend much time to create the best video in the world, as you always do, see, is 0. Hook people in the first 30 seconds of your video. That's why I say go and watch my video now. I create thumbnail. Go and watch my video. Learn how to create thumbnail. Nail it. Learn how to create thumbnail. Number 2, hook people in the first 30 seconds of your video. Don't waste time with long intro. Get straight to the point. Let viewers to know this why they click on video. Encourage being watching. Link your videos together. Link playlists, end screen, and say watch this video next. Make viewers to stay on your channel. Do I say go and watch how to create playlists? You guys have to go and watch how to create thumbnail. Those kind of things. Study your analysis. Look at your retention. Where the people drop off. Fix it in your next video. Number 5, making money on YouTube. Now let's talk about the money, because I know it's something I think about. You cannot deny it. I be like, and that's the money. There are 5 ways to earn on YouTube. Number 1, advert, which is YPP, YouTube Partnership Program. And that one is when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And my brother, that thing is hard. No, like he had it. The 4,000 watch hour is hard. Number 2, brand deals. Company pay you to promote their product. Company pay you to advertise their product. Number 3, affiliate marketing. That means you earn commission for recommending product. Like, okay, get this pouch at Temu. When they use your premium code, stuff like that. Merchandising. Selling your product. I'll put the name on the screen. Selling your product. Number 5, service, digital product. This one is course, ebook, mentorship program. But here's the truth. Money comes after value. So what? Focus on building a good audience first. Then monetization will follow naturally, I swear. Once you're offering value in your videos, people will even automatically be watching your video even before you say, I drop a video. No. So what? Number 6, common mistakes to avoid. So let me save you pains with mistakes most creators make. Uploading and praying one video should go viral. Let me tell you, that one I lie. Ignoring thumbnail and title, but you just post the video, not put thumbnail and title. I beg, you will not go. You will not grow if you not have thumbnail and title. Copy other creators instead of finding your own style. You will not still grow. Giving up to and maybe just post 10 videos, then boom, see another YouTube again. Growth takes time. So let me show what growth means. Are you sure this is my videos? I seen it. These are my first set of videos on YouTube. You do see the difference between my recent video and all these videos that I explain. You see it. Growth takes time. Anyways, remember, consistency beats motivation. The people you see winning today, at some point, their video were barely getting views. So, number 7, final motivation. So here's the bottom line. YouTube is not luck. It's a system. When you understand how the algorithm works, create valuable content, stay consistent, and avoid common mistakes. See, I cannot swear to God, but I tell you, your channel will grow. It's not an overnight success. It's not easy. I cannot lie to you. See, one thing is, I don't lie to people on my channel. I tell you the truth. Whatever I try, if you see me teach something, I go and copy somebody and I create a video, I will tell you, I copy this video. You can go and try it and come back and give us feedback. Because never everything they say, hey, do on YouTube, turn this on, turn that on, that I should do. No, don't do it. So it's not an overnight success. It's not easy, but it's possible to monetize your channel. Yes, it's possible. So if you are waiting for a signal to start, this is the signal. But if you have been stuck and you don't want to know what to do, keep going. This is also the signal. This is it. So now, I'll give you everything you need to know about YouTube. So the next step is on you. Now I've given you your cross, you must carry it. You must go. So go make that video. Go and record that video. Go. Titi Alfori. Go. Go make that video. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. Kindly leave a comment if you have any question. I can check out my playlist. So see you in my next video. I am Boluvibes. Bye bye.